Hi guests, and welcome to Lake Nottely Lodge. I'm going to take you through the hot tub and spa and how to work it. Our hot tub is professionally cleaned and serviced in between each guest stay. So when you arrive, if it looks like it has not been serviced yet, please notify us and we'll send someone out. Your safety in the spa is our primary concern, so please make sure to adhere to the rules that are up on the wall outside of the hot tub. It's important to shower or rinse off before entering the hot tub. Our skin has natural oils on it that will wash off into the hot tub, as well as any products that are on our body, deodorants, lotions, and even hair products. Those will all cause a buildup in the hot tub, so make sure to wash off first. First thing you're going to want to do is open the hot tub. You do that by pulling the handles and lifting outward. The hot tub has a set of stairs on the right and a towel warmer on the left. The hot tub will be set at 100 degrees. It takes 20 minutes to increase the temperature by 1 degree. So we suggest leaving it at 100 degrees and not making it any lower, because the next time you go in, if you want to get it warmer, it will take quite a bit of time. To turn on the jets, you push the jet button one time. That turns it on a low jet speed. You can also push the button one more time to get it on a higher jet speed. There are two control panels here that can increase or decrease the pressure. You can also increase and decrease pressure by rotating the individual knobs inside the hot tub. By rotating them right or left, it will either increase or decrease the water pressure that's coming out. You can also control the lights by pushing the light button. Here we have it on a rotating lights, or you can change it to stay on one individual color. Please keep the cleaner inside the hot tub. This has a bromine tablet that will continue to clean the water. At the end of your use, make sure you turn the jets off and cover the hot tub back up. Most importantly, sit back and relax and enjoy the spa.